som visade sig förra gången så hade vi ingen aning om någonting här. Men det som sjökortet sa att det var land runt här.
Swedish sailing yacht Jabina. Swedish sailing yacht Jabina, Lerwick Harbour, Channel 16.
Yes, Jabina here.
Yes, Jabina, Lerwick Harbour. Can you go to Channel 12? 1-2, please.
Yes, where? Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Jabina, good afternoon. I see you coming into the Albert Dock here. Just to advise that you cannot go alongside on the cruise pontoons. You will see a large white yacht there, but she is going to shift later this evening because we have a cruise ship in tomorrow morning and we have to use that for the cruise ship tenders. So the two vessels at Sanchez now are going to move this evening, so just to advise you before you tie up, if you want to go alongside one of the other ones on the Albert Dock or go into the small boat harbour pontoons alongside another vessel.
Okay, and the first entrance and in there, you mean?
Yeah, you've just come past. There are several other yachts in there. I think there's a couple of Swedish ones. There's one Swedish one anyway, but you can go in there if you want to go alongside another yacht. And then the cruise pontoons will be clear tomorrow night once the cruise ship sails, but we have to keep them clear from this evening.
I understand. It comes another behind me too. So I see it looks like it was empty in the inside, the first place, if you call it so. Do you know how much water there is in low water?
Yeah, right in at the end we have to keep clear at the south side. We have to keep that clear for the tour boats, the sightseeing boats, because they have to take their passengers on there at the moment because the slipway is out of action. So that's why you can't go alongside the pontoon.
Lerwick Harbour, Lerwick Harbour, Lerwick Harbour. This is sailing vessel Kawana, calling you on Channel 12.
Sailing vessel Kawana, Lerwick Harbour. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir. Just check out, we are entering the harbour right now. Just ask permission to tie up to one of the visitors' pontoons.
Yes, I see you coming in there. You just carry on in. And I think the Swedish one, Jabina, he is just coming ahead of you. I've spoken to him just a few minutes ago, and he's going into the small boat harbour on the pontoons there.
And so just to make sure I understand, Victoria Pier South inside the small boat harbour, that's where we can tie up on another boat. Victoria Pier North and Albert Wharf are busy, is that correct?
Yeah, the south side is okay. The north side is to be kept clear. The Albert Dock, there is...
That was free.
How was the sail?
Oh, very good.
Oh, it was great.
Yeah.